You should know you're looking at a self-made woman. You should know I got nothing for free in this life. None of us can know what's coming. So if you wanna be with me, baby, can't you see? You gotta make room for a self-made woman like me.
Welcome back to the channel. I'm Shawna. Welcome to another vlog. I'm here thinking that this is actually the last time I have the luxury to drive to New York to get, why am I choking myself? Oh, the last time I have the luxury to drive to New York to get my nails done. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Another week and a half and I am up and out of New Jersey for good. Can you believe it? Am I ready? Oh my goodness, the last time I got my nails done was over a month ago. Okay, over a month ago. That was in February. We are in the first week of April. Happy Easter to everyone. If Easter passed, you know, still happy Easter. And I'm like, the last time I would actually have the luxury to get up, drive to New York to get my nails done. I'm still excited to move, but moving is not easy. There's so much moving parts to my moving process. It's a lot, but I'm going to enjoy my final, I don't think it'll be my final time driving to New York from New Jersey, because I have to go see my friend Antonio. We're having our final brunch or dinner before I go, so I'm going to go see him before I go. But the last time I will be driving to New York to have, you know, to hang out, to run errands, to get my nails done is way overdue. And whenever I do my nails in New York, though, I don't mind driving because I go every other month. Again, this is over a month. It's still standing. Love the nails. The shape is still standing. Love it. So this will keep me until the end of May. I have a month to find someone in Charlotte to, you know, get my nails done. I have a month of research to do, so I cannot complain, can I? But yeah, welcome to another vlog. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. George Washington Bridge is always crazy with traffic.
Lane closure ahead on New Jersey Turnpike N in 900 feet. You're still on the fastest route.
Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building buyers with my friends.
Thank you.
I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo.
Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it. Countdown for me.
12, 11, 10, 9.
Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay.
I love the grilled oysters. So delicious.
I'm not here for you to blow your one and only chance. I'm not here to waste my time on yet another bad romance. Now I got hopes for us tonight, for this here thing to turn out right. So from the start, let's get this one thing clear. You should know you're looking at a self-made woman. You should know I got nothing for free in this life. None of us can know what's coming. So if you wanna be with me, baby, can't you see? You gotta make room for a self-made woman like me.
I'm so upset right now. Like, so upset right now. Very upset, man.
Thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a kid for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest.
Good morning. The worst thing that could happen to anyone that does YouTube or create content happened to me. I was in the middle of shooting my moving vlog, and I don't know how this happened, but it did. My camera fell and broke, right? I'm just like, how is this possible? It's in my hand. Like, I was taking off my camera from the tripod and it just fell on the ground, and everything is just it's over, you know. I'm so numb. I'm so numb right now. I'm so numb. I'm telling you, boy, bad timing, yeah. So here comes another expense on me. In the middle of me moving, here comes another expense, you know. I spend majority of my night doing researches and, you know, shopping online for a vlogging camera. So I was going back and forth with the Sony G7X and the Nikon Z30. What I mostly look for in a vlogging camera is the stabilization, because I like vloggings, yeah, and moving around and your hands are shaking, all that jazz. You need something that, you know, have a built-in stabilization. So far I think the Nikon Z30 wins, and I ordered it last night on Best Buy, so I'm going to pick it up this afternoon in the store. It took me around 4 hours to, you know, figure out what camera to get, because I wanted to make sure that making this purchase would be the best camera I can get. So yeah, I watched videos after videos on YouTube. I, you know, did my own research, went on the website, read up a couple stuff, you know, reviews, all that jazz, and I decide on the Nikon Z30. So now I have another device to take up my time, and I have days before I have to completely move from New Jersey. So I have to learn this device, the settings, you know, get comfortable with a new camera all over again. In the midst of me moving, you know what I mean, I'm on my way to work. I am so late. I'm supposed to get there at 9. It's now 9:07, and I'm like 7-8 minutes away. God, I'm also dressed down today, and today is not a dressed down day at work, but whatever. And I still haven't told my job that I'm moving in a couple days, so I guess I'm going to give them one of those I resign immediately, effective immediately. Last night was a hard night for me. I barely slept last night, or I should say this morning, because I went to bed minutes to 3 and I get up back at 7. One of the reason why I'm late this morning, because for some reason I was just moving extra slow. I was just not in the mood to wear no heels, I'm wearing sneakers right now. I'm just but yeah, a week in the life. I tell you, the worst thing that could happen to anyone that does the YouTube create content happened to Shawna last night. I was like, what? Like, why now? Why me? Why at this time? You know, when things are good, you always have something that's bad try to sneak its way in, and I'm not going to let this stress me out. I'm just grateful, giving thanks that I could replace the camera right there and then. Yeah, I'm not gonna, although I feel numb, right, and disappointed, and I'm still trying to figure out how is this possible. Like, I cannot see how the camera fell from my hand, you know. And in the same breath, I'm just like, thank you, Lord. I'm grateful that I'm in the space, the place to, you know, repurchase a new camera and keep it moving. Like, nothing is going to come in the way to disencourage me. I am so excited for my new toy. I'm so excited. Before, I was using the Sony a6100 vlogging camera, and you know, my disaster happened, but we have a new friend over here, so yeah. I have to take the camera back to Best Buy. I don't know why it's not recording. The where you have record on the screen, it's just, listen, we can, but I will not technical difficulty right here, you know. So yeah, maybe I'm the one that doesn't know how to use the camera, but I have 2-year insurance on this with Greek Squad, so I'm going there for them to be stressed out and not me. So I don't know why it's not recording. I cannot tell you. We have like the word record on the screen. It has like a line, you know, across it saying not working, girl, figure it out. So yeah, that's what I'm currently doing. I'm also going to run to Brooklyn. I have a couple stuff to do. I have brunch today with 2 friends. My last couple days living in North. So yeah, I'm gonna just, you know, hang out with some friends today. I took the day off from work. Today should be my last day at work. But yeah, I'm like, listen, the weather is so nice. It's gonna be 82 degrees. Can you believe it? 82 degrees. I'm leaving in 3 days. 3 days I'm up and out of New Jersey as a resident. If you guys haven't checked out my moving vlog, my moving series, please to do so. But yeah, let's go figure what's going on with this camera, grab some food and enjoy the weather. I will be running errands today in New York, in Brooklyn and Queens. I'm giving away a couple stuff like Jersey in my apartment. The eating is not all that, so I had to get additional, like a small eating thing that I got. And also I got a fan, so I'm giving away the fans. I have 2 fans. I'm giving away the fan. They each are a couple stuff to, you know, my 2 associates in the city. and also have a couple stuff to do, you know, here and there. So I'm going to do that, have brunch with them, because I'm leaving Jersey in 3 days. Yeah, I'm getting some gas to hit the parkway and enjoy my day in New York and my finally days in Jersey as a resident. Yeah, so that's what's up today. Also fixing the issue with my camera. Yes, please, thank you. Yeah. Can I have $1.25, please? Thank you. You know what I need to start doing, and I'm gonna start this like as I move. I want to start pulling money from my account and using cash instead of the card. I've realized that when I use the card, I'm not aware of how much I'm spending, because it's not like I'm counting the physical money out given to, you know, the teller, you know, the cashier. I'm just like swiping the card. I'm spending so much money. I'm going to pull. I need to do better with my finance. I really do. I just swipe the card. I need to like pull, like, you know, $300, $500 and see what I really do with my money on a day-to-day basis, because I really need to do it. I need to get some money and figure out and see what I'm spending my money at. I think when I'm counting out the actual money, then I will know how much I'm spending. Yeah, I'm gonna pull $500 and see anything I'm buying, I'm gonna use cash instead of my card, because this right here cannot keep on happening. Okay, after all these years in Jersey, is the last Thursday that I have here. I found out that Wawa have free coffee on Thursday. Just now I stopped to get a cappuccino, and when I was about to pay, the guy was like, no, it's free coffee. I said, free coffee? He was like, yeah, on Thursday we have free coffee. I was like, how long this been going on for? I'm going to pay attention to the road. I'm going to play some dancehall music and enjoy my coffee from Wawa and play some dancehall music. I think Spice have a new dancehall music that came out yesterday, I think. Yeah, today is the 13th of April. I think it was yesterday the song came out, or on the 11th, whichever day. I haven't listened to it as yet, but it's all over, you know. So I'm gonna play some dancehall music, hit the parkway. I wish YouTube didn't give copyright so we could both jam together. You guys could know, you know, what I listen to, you know, my to-go-to music, all that jazz. But today, right now, I'm in the mood for some broke-out dancehall music. It's a nice day. The weather is amazing. Why is this guy staring at me? But whatever. So that's what we're doing.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no breaks. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your mind on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all good.
So I'm getting these two. I'm getting these two pack. You know what they do? They have the fresher upstate at the bottom. I think them slick, you know? I'm at Newark Airport picking up a family member. Happy Saturday. Welcome back to New Jersey.
Yes, welcome back to New Jersey. Who the hell me if you know a car you drive? Although me know say I know the next car coming up. I'm not stupid.
So the car you look for? Surprise!
I'm not surprised. This is not surprise.
But you never know which one.
No, I don't know the type of car, but me know. Me know see you get a car. Me
you
have
know
to ask.
You don't know nothing. Oh, you know that.
You
know
give
nothing.
yourself about 4 or 5 times already.
You know nothing.
I know.
Anyway, where's your flight? We're not arguing. You just
Flight
got
was
here.
alright until when it landed. Landing was rough.
Yeah.
That's all.
Oh, it was Florida. Oh my God, you are traveling.
Alright.
Hmm?
No, that no. What?
Alright, Mr. Miserable is here. Oh my God, wish me luck. Mr. You like me here? I don't know why you look at me like that. It's a grow back.
Never look on your head.
It's a grow back. Father Miserable, please welcome me with the stress and whatever. It's Saturday morning.
You just try.
Just a try what?
If you tell me say you not get a new vehicle, me know.
This is my life right now. Anyone want to volunteer and help me? No furniture. What are you selling?
Coconut and caramel.
You selling juice? Life lately. My oxtail and rice with some lemonade. No furniture. In the middle of moving. My furniture left a couple hours ago. If you guys haven't checked out my moving vlog, once again, please to do so. But yeah, this is life currently. You okay, Pops? Story of my life.